And here we go again, round 2. This time I'm going to stay the night. Looks like someone has cut the fence. Here's where I was thinking to sleep. Probably like in that corner there. And the reason why I don't want to sleep actually in the factory, because it's quite a common place for people to go. And I don't want to sound like a wimp, but I don't think it would be nice waking up hearing people walking around. It'd be a bit freaky. Right, so I've got everything packed for tonight. This is my 5-star hotel. We've got a bed here, we've got some water there. We have got a swimming pool over there. We've got a nice view. And yeah, the moon's up there. I'm just chilling here, just standing up, just taking in the atmosphere. So I've been standing, just chilling for some time. It's quite dark now. I'm gonna get in and I'm gonna eat my dinner. And guess what I got for tea? So I got some Lidl's gummy worms, and there's actually a story behind why I got these. And for my main meal, I've got some nuts, some roasted nuts. I don't know if you can see anything, probably not, but I'm gonna go get some sleep. Alright, see you in the morning. Good morning. I've actually been up for quite a bit of time. As you can see, I'm in a different spot. I had to change spot. But yeah, so the main reason why I had to change spot was because it started to rain. It started to rain right there. By the way, I was just in that corner there. It started to bloody rain. It actually started raining, even though there was no chance of rain tonight. I was just staring at the weather forecast, and there was no rain, no rain, no rain. Also, that's one lovely sky over there. You probably can't see anything in the camera, but I came in here bloody like 2 o'clock at night, pitch black. Look at that drop. And I was like, right, here's where I'm gonna go. And look at that roof. That roof was causing me havoc. Do you know how loud that is with the thing swaying? And there we go. I have completely packed up. It's currently what time is it? Alright, so my watch is dead, so I don't know what time it is. Fucking hell. Alright, my bike is still here in perfect condition, so it's gonna be like a 1 hour cycle home. And yeah, what a good trip. Alright.